Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So here in this video I'm going to tell the important detailed video of cost control and management accounting subject. So students, those who are pursuing Bcom final year, in 6th semester you people are having a cost control and management accounting subject, and it's 80 marks question paper. Previously, I have uploaded important questions and important methods video in our channel, but many of the students are having many doubts regarding this subject. Means what are the chapters we need to prepare and what are the methods we need to prepare, etc., etc. Every question you people are asking me, so that's why I am again uploading the video. So in this video, I am going to tell the clear explanation about the cost control subject, and those students who want to get passed or those who want to score O grade also, this one video is helpful for them. Okay, and this video is useful for regular as well as backlog students. So again, you don't ask that this video is useful for backlog or Anish. So this video is useful for both the students, either regular or backlog students, and here in this video I'm clarify your all your doubts, okay, regarding this subject. And I will tell the gunshot questions, gunshot methods which will come in the examination. Everything I will discuss in the video. So first, what you want to need to do is you don't skip the video and watch till the end. Then only you will get to understand what I am saying. So instead of not watching full video and you are asking that again the doubts in the comment section, which I have already discussed in the video, it does not make any sense, right? So please watch till the end. Then if you have any regarding doubts, again any separate doubts or any doubts in my explanation, you please comment me in the comment section. Definitely I will answer your question. Okay, so first it's a 80 marks question paper. In part A, 1 to 8 questions will come. Out of 8 questions you need to attempt any 5 questions. In that part A, both theory as well as problematic methods also will come. Theory will come, means around of a 4 or 5 will theory will come, and remaining 3 is problematic only, or remaining 2 is problematic only. So theory will come in part A. So in part B, from ninth question it will start. So 9A and 9B with internal choice, 10A and 10B. Like that, ninth question will come from unit number 1, 10th question will come from unit number 2, 11th question will come from unit number 3, 12th will come from unit number 4, and 13th will come from unit number 5. So once we will look into the syllabus pattern, then you will get to easily understand what I am saying about. So basically it's a 80 marks question paper, right? So this is our syllabus. So we are having only 5 units. In that 5 units, in each unit you are having two chapters except 4th and 5th unit. Okay. So ninth question will come in part B. Ninth question will come from unit number 1, I have said. So 9A will come from chapter number 1 and 9B will come from chapter number 2. So out of in 2 chapters you need to prepare only one chapter. One chapter will be enough for long as well as short, right? Like that, 10A will come from budget and budgetary control chapter, and 10B will come from standard costing and variance analysis. Level A from chapter 5, level B from chapter 6. 12th A and 12th B, both the questions will come from fund flow analysis only. So in this chapter, in this unit, you are not having any extra chapters. Choice chapter is not there in unit number 4 and unit number 5. You need to learn fund flow statement analysis and cash flow analysis statement. So in this, out of all units, I am telling which unit is easy and which unit is hard. So chapter 1 is easy as compared to chapter 2, because in decision making chapter we are having plenty of problematic questions and formulas also, like make it or buy it, right? Like that. So compared to chapter 1 and chapter 2, chapter 1 is easy. So in the chapter 1 they may ask theory question or else problematic question. So both the easy, theory is easy also and also problematic are also easy. And in unit number 2, out of chapter 3 and chapter 4, compared to standard costing, budget and budgetary control is damn easy. So in this also we are having chances to get theory as we are having chances to get problematic also, right? And from unit number 3, chapter 5 and chapter 6, chapter 5 is easy. That is financial statement analysis, as compared to ratio analysis. In ratio analysis we are having around 30 formulas, so it's hard, it's difficult as compared to the chapter number 5. And unit 4 and unit 5 compulsory you need to learn, both theory as well as problematic you need to learn. So first I will discuss the long important questions, theory as well as problematic. So problematic question numbers will given is given from Pankaj publications. So Usmania University students will get the methods from Pankaj textbook only. So that's why I have referred that textbook question numbers. So those who are having CR materials, you please follow last year model paper as well as repeated problematic questions they will give in the end of the book. So you follow that questions in problematic. So unit chapter number 1, management account and marginal costing. In that only we are having three questions. If they give a theory question from chapter number 1, out of in this three only they will give, so not additional question will add in this chapter. So compared to decision making, you are preparing only one unit, that is chapter number 1. So in the chapter number 1, prepare this three theory questions as well as problematic also. Then you will get attempted by ninth question, then you will get attempt ninth question. And from unit number 1, chapter number 1, we are I'm giving that question numbers from Pankaj publication textbook. So you need to follow these all the methods which is given from in that questions from Pankaj publications textbook RP Trivedi. So if you prepare this all these methods thoroughly, then you will get attempted by ninth question compulsory. Okay, from unit number 2, we are preparing only one chapter, that is budget and budgetary control. So in theory question, if they ask theory question, these two questions will only ask. This is the most repeated questions. They may ask either advantages and limitations of budgeting, or else classification of budgeting. If you prepare problematic, then you will attempt this both questions in general. But in general, you will attempt all this. Classification of budget is nothing but pro forma of budget and budgetary control, right? So in problematic, we are having only 7 questions in Pankaj publication. You need to prepare all that 7 questions which is there in that which is there in that textbook. You need to prepare all the methods of that unit. So budget and budgetary control is the easy subject. First, all you need to know is you need to remember the proformas, right? If you correctly write the proformas in the examination, 8 to 9 marks guaranteed they will score. You will score definitely. So from unit number 3, after fifth and sixth chapter, you are preparing only one chapter, that is chapter number 5. In that theory coming chances are very much less. If they come means these two questions is enough from chapter number 5. So in chapter number 5, you need to concentrate on problematic only. So theory chances are less compared to problematic. So in that chapter 5, I have given the question numbers of Pankaj publication textbook. You need to learn and practice all these methods which is given in the question numbers, right? If you follow this question number, it's more than enough. And those who are students who are thinking to learn only theory in this subject, it's impossible to get passing marks. Okay, so try to learn 1 or 2 chapters problematic also, then you will easily get passed marks, right? And unit number 4, we are not having any chance to get another chapter choice. So you are having only one chapter, we need to prepare that chapter, right? In that fund flow statement, either you can prepare theory or else problematic. Means we are having a chances to get one question from theory and one question problematic. If they ask theory question, these two questions is enough. Means pro forma of changes in working capital. If you learn this problematic, then you will easily attempt that pro forma, right? And importance and limitations of fund flow, this is the two important questions. And in problematic, I have given the question numbers same from RP Trivedi Pankaj publication textbook. If you practice these questions from that textbook, it's more than enough for unit number 4. Then you will attempt that 12th question very well. So in this chapter, we if you want to read only problematic, you can practice that. If you want to read only theory, you can do that. So we are having choice, right? And unit number 5, chapter number 8 is cash flow statement. So in here also same, they are having chances to get a theory as well as problematic. In theory, we are having only two questions: cash flow statement advantages and limitations, and differences between fund flow and cash flow. So this is the most important question. This questions only will come. And coming to the problematic question numbers, this I have mentioned in this screen. You need to practice these problematic questions from RP Trivedi Pankaj's publication textbook. Right? Part B is completed. So now again I will discuss the what are the methods you need to follow. So those who want to learn decision making, or which I have left the choice subjects, you need to learn. In decision making, we are not having any important questions. You need to learn all the theory questions as well as all problematic questions. You are people are having around 40 to 50 problematic questions. If you want to practice that, you can practice. And unit number 2, we are standard costing we left for choice. So those who want to study theory from that standard costing, you learn these two questions. It's more than enough, Amma. Okay. So in this also I have given the important problematic questions. So those who are thinking that compared to budget and budgetary control, standard costing is easy, so those students can prepare this question numbers from Pankaj publication, right? So these questions is enough for standard costing also. Okay. And this is from unit number 2. And from unit number 3, we are having ratio analysis, which we left for choice. So those who want to study ratio analysis, these two theory questions is enough: classification of ratios and advantages and disadvantages. And coming to the problematic, this problematic important question numbers is enough from Pankaj publications, right? Now I am going to discuss the short theory important questions. So in part A, out of 8 questions, around 5 questions will be get theory questions only. So now I will explain the each unit theory questions. Around only 4 to 5 I will give, Amma, and that theory questions is enough. Out of that only you will get the questions in the examinations, right? And from unit number 2, we are having 2 chapters. In the 2 chapters I have mingled everything, and I have given only these 5 questions. And if you prepare these 5 questions, it's more than enough. And theory question will come from this, out of these 5 questions, right? And here CBP analysis, need and importance of management accounting, and these are all the most repeated questions. So I have gone through the all the question papers, previous questions paper. So it's the most important questions from unit number 1, right? And from unit number 2, we are having again 2 chapters. Out of in the 2 chapters, I have only analyzed only 5 questions. And if you this prepare these 5 questions, it's enough for the theory for short, right? If you learn short long theory questions short also, you can easily attempt that. Okay. So each carries only 4 marks, so side by side 1.5 2 papers is more than enough. So standard rate, note on budget is very much important from unit number 2. And from unit number 3 also, we are having 2 chapters. In the 2 chapters, I have given only 4 questions. If you learn these 4 questions, then it's more than enough. So in this here, if you learn long problematic, then you can attempt short theory also. Importance of financial statement, advantages of common size analysis statement, etc., etc. These are all your people are practicing in the long, so you can easily attempt for short also. And unit number 4, only three theory questions. So in this unit number 4, mostly problematic questions they may ask from fund flow and cash flow. So prepare problematic for short also. If you prepare long, then automatically short questions will also you can able to attempt, Amma. Okay. So this is from unit number 4. And unit number 5, cash flow statement, only 3 questions. If you learn these 3 theory questions, it's more than enough. So in this cash flow statement, your people are will going to have the expected problematic questions from this cash flow statement for short. Now I'm going to tell the methods, problematic methods each chapter, right? So in chapter number 1, introduction to management accounting and managerial costing, you having this 9 formulas. If you learn these 9 formulas, it's more than enough. Like they may ask PV ratio, calculate PV ratio, calculate BVP, like break even point, margin of safety. They will ask like this, okay, from chapter number 1. And this is the most easiest chapter compared to chapter number 2. And unit number 2, we are having budget and budgetary control, chapter number 3. So in that we are having only 2 proformas. One is flexible budget in units. If they ask question in units, you need to follow first proforma. If they ask question in amounts, if you need to follow second pro forma, and this is the also most easiest chapter compared to chapter number 4, right? And from unit number 3, compared to fifth and sixth chapter, fifth chapter we are preparing, okay? In fifth chapter we are having only three performance. First is comparative income statement, comparative balance statement, and common size balance statement. Comparative income statement and balance statement is most important compared to common size. And unit number 4, chapter number 7, that is fund from operations, we are having three performers. So in this chapter we are having, in each question we need to prepare these three performers, that is fund from operations, changes in working capital, sources and applications of fund flow statement. So if they ask problematic question, then you need to prepare all these statements, right? Pro formas. So from unit number 4. And unit number 5, cash flow statement, we are having only one pro forma. If you prepare that one pro forma, if they ask problematic question from unit number 5, uh, in that only we need to prepare only one pro forma. In that only all the postings will come in that only one pro forma. So prepare that pro forma. So many of the students are not having about the pro formas. So now I am giving the all subjects, I mean all chapters pro formas, like from chapter number 1 what are the formulas will come, chapter number 3 what are the pro formas you need to you will get. So like that I have given the PDF link in description and comment section. So those who want to uh, look at what, so those who want that, you can please download it from description and comment section. So if you are unaware of the doing problematic, you just need to post the proforma. First draw the proforma and post the all the ledgers, and it means first you draw the proforma, what are the things which will come under the proforma, you need to post everything. So in that only out of 12 marks you will get around 8 or 9 marks. So for calculation purpose they will only cancel 2 to 3 marks, so it is not a mandatory. So prepare proformas very well, okay? So that PDF link is there in the description and comment section. So go thorough with that. All total proformas and formulas is more than enough. So this is all about the cost control video. I hope that you have cleared everything regarding this subject, all of your doubts. So if you are having any again this doubts regarding this subject, you can please comment me in the comment section. So I have given the Telegram link and my Instagram ID link. So those who want to ask doubts or those who want PDFs or of another subject, you please join in Telegram group. And those who want to ask doubts regarding the subject, you can please message me in my Instagram ID. I will mention that in description and comment section. So all the very best for your examination. So day after tomorrow you people are having your examination, cost control examination. I hope that everyone will score good marks and everyone will get passed, okay? So once again, all the very best. Prepare all the theory as well as problematic questions which I have given. So follow all my tips, etc, etc, you will definitely get passed. So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you think our video is worthful to every student or to you, so please like, share and subscribe and share with your friends also if you think only, okay? So your friends will also get useful by seeing this video, because many of the students will work for jobs, etc, etc. That for that purpose I have I have done a detailed video regarding subject. So this video will definitely useful for each and every student, I think. So once again, all the very best for your preparation and all the very best for your examination. Hope you are doing well, okay? Thank you so much.